everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can send pictures or image in Poly.Ai. So to start, we'll have to open the app, and then once you're in the app, we'll have to go to our inbox. To do that, we'll have to tap on this message icon. So as an example, I'm going to try to send an image to Poly Agent. So in here, we'll just have to tap on this one. And as you can see, there is no feature for us to attach an image. So the next thing that we need to do is to tap on the menu option. So in here, we'll just have to try to find an attachment option. So as you can see, there is also no option here for us to attach an image or to send an image. So currently, Poly.Ai doesn't have that feature for us to send an image or a picture. So maybe in the future, the app will have that feature, but as of now, the app doesn't have a feature for us to send an image or picture. So I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.